What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we need to look at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as Solana and the S&P 500. Very interesting progression since yesterday's episode here. Yesterday was actually a very important video because we actually found some new to me and hopefully new to you guys, fractals here, new technical indicators that pretty much do change everything, as we explained clear as day here in the thumbnail for yesterday's episode here. And this is actually very exciting because it does open up some doors for new movements here, and I'm excited to see where that will move. So not only are we going to be looking at XRP here, obviously we traded out of this ascending fractal, so we're going to have to tweak the chart to include it. And remember, this is a 4-hour chart, so we're going to be doing a lot of adjustments on this chart to include the prices that we're dealing with here and to include kind of a new technical indicator. It's going to keep forming and changing until maybe we start to see some certainty on the daily charts here. But beyond XRP, you look at something like Solana, and we are still consolidating down. We are still inside a major symmetrical triangle. We are still using this kind of higher low pattern here, full steam ahead. But on top of that, we have Ethereum, which we've now discovered has formed what appears to be a major descending fractal. And the kicker is Bitcoin, which just has a huge bull flag formation here. I mean, I don't know why I didn't notice this earlier here, but there is a massive, I mean a monstrous bull flag formation here with clear lower highs and clear lower lows here, clear resistances up top, clear supports at the bottom. This was probably one of the easiest charts to actually depict. I don't know why we didn't see it sooner. We were so zoomed in on the charts, but now that we've zoomed out, things just become easier and easier and easier to figure out. So I'm pretty excited to see the results of this moving forward. And then the stock market yet again is now, we managed to get above of a major resistance. Like originally we were just getting rejected consistently on here, and now we flipped to the upside, so we're using this as a support. And what this is actually doing is lowering us on the moving average, which is good. Like last time we were here, you can see maybe right around here, you can see that we were trading around 63 on the relative strength indicator, right around 56.92. Now we're back to the same 56.92, and we're at 53. So we've dropped down 10 points on the relative strength indicator, which is big news for possible movements to the upside here. It allows us to move to the upside here. But with that being said, guys, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before I dive into the technical analysis here, remember BYDFI is doing a $300 exclusive promo here where you can sign up and get $50, deposit, get $50, trade and get $100, and complete KYC and get another $100. So these are a lot of bonus opportunities for you guys to take advantage of. Now, just to change the subject super quick, as you guys know, Hurricane, what is it called? Milton is on its way to Florida. I am in Fort Myers. We got devastated by Ian, and now there's a chance we could get devastated by Milton. It seems like it's heading higher to Tampa. Hopefully it doesn't hit Tampa and goes a little bit in between, but we don't know just yet here. But we have now, the due date has been pushed further just a little bit here. Instead of Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, it's now Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and we'll see if that changes here. So it's been pushed down. I think it's actually better this way for it to come while the sunrise is happening, because it gives us more daylight to play out the storm. I'd rather we get this happen while we're awake than when we're sleeping at night and it's pitch black outside and you can't see the water and everything. So it's going to be crazy. It's going to be really freaking crazy. I'll take some video. I'll post it. We'll see how it affects everything. Hopefully I don't lose power. Probably are going to lose power, but I just want to update you guys on that. Anywho, to swing back and circle back to XRP and these cryptocurrencies here, you can see we did just recently come off of a major dump. I mean, a massive dump nonetheless here. If we take the price range here, you can see we've fallen a total of about 23%. Now that we've done correcting here, we're starting to see this consolidation pattern. It seems like we're going to tweak it just a hair, bottom support this time, to pretty much find where this floor is. If this is accurate now, then we are in an ascending fractal. These typically, though, break down. These typically break us lower, and it's very possible we could continue to see that here. It's very possible we could continue to see that dump. But regardless, it doesn't really matter. As long as we have an indicator forming here, we have something to go off of. We'll see when this does decide to break, but now this just ears us. I mean, obviously, we could always reverse out of this. Not everything is certain, but ideally, textbook-wise, it does show possible correction here. So I just want you guys to be aware of that, that is a big possibility that could take over XRP in the short term, but we do need to let this consolidate out. Now, I know that's pretty much it for XRP for the time being. Otherwise, we do look all right. Like if we zoom out to the daily and everything like that, there's more signs showing we could flip up than drop, mainly because of this beautiful symmetrical triangle here. We've hit supports numerous times in the past, and there's a good chance that we are going to continue to see that support reverse out of it. Every time we hit bottom, we rallied up, and we're looking for that same thing to happen now. And hopefully it does. We're kind of around the same area on the moving average or the relative strength indicator that we were for the previous reversal. So we're looking for that same possibility to happen now, and hopefully it does. We'll figure it out, but ideally that's what we're looking for. We are looking for more of a reversal than a correction to the downside, and a lot of these cryptocurrencies are playing into that here, and that's what we have to talk about today. Now, obviously, we'll do these trades on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange I like to use here on the channel. BYDFI lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BYDFI, which makes it very cool and very fun, especially because just yesterday, actually, we actually discovered the Bitcoin descending fractal. You can see clear as day here on BYDFI, but ideally we were looking at XRP here, which we don't have drawn on just yet. But ideally, we were using this to, and we will use this to leverage trade as we have XRP here. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits, trailing stop losses. Literally everything you'd want is offered on BYDFI, which is super cool. And the best part about this is they offer welcome rewards and a demo trading account. As I say in all my videos here, you can get over $2,000 in free cryptocurrency by literally signing up for free with a link down in the description below. That means on top of the $300 that you can get from the free bonus money they're giving away, you can get over 2K, which is even cooler. Some of them are even offering close to 5K, which is insane here, by just literally leaving your feedback on the BYDFI exchange and signing up for free. On top of that, they do have a demo trading account, 50K in Monopoly money to test your skills, get familiar with the platform, get familiar with the project, and then when you're ready, you can switch on over to the live trading account, use that bonus money that you've accumulated. You can see I have right here, I have about $100. Or what, did I lose it all now? Where did it go? I could have sworn I had bonus money. Maybe I'm on the wrong exchange. Let's see. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. My bonus wallet, I have about $100 in it, $130 to leverage trade with. And it gives me, up to $2,500 to trade around with here, which is crazy. Like a little goes a long way, which is why I highly recommend BYDFI. Anywho, moving forward beyond XRP, beyond Solana, you know that we're having this consolidation here. The main focus is on Bitcoin, but Ethereum looks very interesting too. Like Ethereum, long-term seems to be forming something massive. This is actually nuts to me that we've now formed some sort of major like descending fractal, descending consolidating fractal here that at some point is statistically bullish. Like we are undervalued. We're trading below the moving average here, and everything is riding for a consolidation. Right now, we are trending inside. So we need to get closer to this resistance, but there's a good chance sooner than later we'll break through it and see a reversal rally back to the upside here. A lot of these cryptocurrencies are showing signs of possible reversal rally. Same thing with Bitcoin. So a lot of these cryptocurrencies have bullish tendencies here. The fact that Ethereum has a very solid uptrend forming is huge on the daily. It's even bigger. I mean, that shows huge possibilities, huge breakouts to take place. I mean, even if we take the conservative approach of Bitcoin here from the breakout and then we scale this to where we currently are right now, we explode, we're hitting close to $100,000, which is insane. And I know you guys don't believe it, but it is very possible here. It's only a matter of time before we see that. This consolidation is not abnormal. We have seen this pattern before, and it usually results in bullish breaks. So I'm very excited to see the result of that. Obviously, it might not happen right now. We could easily expect to see correction before that breakout takes place, but it is on the table, which is huge, unlike before. So this is a big, big, big chart here, so you wouldn't want to miss it. When we do get that breakout above this resistance here, especially on like the weekly, that'll be that opportunity to buy in and hold for the long term. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. Look at how beautiful this is tracking on Bitcoin's weekly charts. It's insane. It really is insane. So I'm very excited to see the results of that. Stock market looks interesting here. We're consolidating back down. We're hoping for a little bounce, a little rebound bounce. Makes sense we're consolidating. We said that we're probably going to pull back to the downside here. But once that correction is over, once that pullback is over, then we should see liftoff, which is what we're all patiently waiting for. Anywho, with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.